Hey guys, welcome to the High Tech Bravo. Today we are going to learn how you can create a free design template for your business promotion. For that purpose, you have to go to the website canva.com. I will share the link of this website into my video description. For that purpose, you have to log in with your Gmail account. After you log in with your Gmail account, you can see the options of create a design here. Click on it. Now you can see different options here: document, whiteboard, logo, Facebook cover. These are options you can design as per requirement. For example, if you want to create a resume, you can see the option of over here: infographic, Facebook post, YouTube thumbnail, a bundle of features over here. Let's see if you are, for example, we are going to create a logo for my business. Once you log in into it, you can see different logo designs over here. You can change, you can customize it as per requirement with your brand name, with colors, etc. Whatever you want to make change. Here you can see different brands here. Few of them are free of cost, few of them are paid. You can if you can afford Canva Pro, you can pay for it. Otherwise, most of them logo designs are free of cost. Here you can customize as per requirement. Let's see, I am going to choose this one for my brand. You can see the beautiful logo. I can customize it as per requirement. I can change its color, its font size, etc. uh, so that's all for today. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell notification to never miss the exciting videos. Thank you.